Hello to everyone guys, this is a new video. In this new video I'm going to show you how I created the expansion ball. The expanding ball. So what is this? Is an obstacles that expands and create a series of spines around it to kill the player. So we need the time between the time when the spines are inside this ball that does nothing to the player, and the time after this expansion. We need also a coroutine to simulate this. We start the coroutine in the start function, and then we have this enumerator with the routine. We set a wait for seconds inside a while loop that is always true, so it always run. One wait for seconds for the time of the ball unexpanded, and one for the time of the ball expanded. Inside this other two space, let's call it like that, between the wait for seconds, we will have instantiation of 8 different spines. The spines, for the text reason, I named it expanding ball spikes. Otherwise I would have put only spikes, but that will not fit later when we will do the art for the game. So we instantiate every spikes, and we use a vector tree to put the spikes in a different part around our not harmful ball. Sorry. So we use the 1 minus 1 etc. to put this. You can use a multiplier if the exact space is not 1, so you can put 1 times this multiplier, but I have not any reason to do this. Then I create an array of game object. This is not correct because the instantiation create object, not game object, so you need to change this to object and not game object, obviously. And then when the time of the spines expanded passes, we will retract the spines. So we should put oh, it's called oh fuck. We should put destroy, then the object and the index of an object. The array index error is because I created an array with only 7 places and not 8, because from 0 to 7 is actually 8 different spaces in the array. And same goes for the for loop that needs 8 iteration. Okay, for this episode is all. The system works just fine with the player, and okay, in the next episode probably there will be another pixel art training for the graphic appearance of this game. Thanks for watching, we see the next time.